In this quick video, I'll show you how you can activate under construction mode on your Shopify store. So if you don't have any Shopify store, just scroll down to this video and click on the first link to get a free trial for next 3 months on just $1 per month. If you already have a Shopify store, just log into your Shopify store. After buying the Shopify plan, it will take some time to build the website, so you can just enable the under construction mode, and when you complete the website design, then you can just active your website. To do so, just click on the search and search for the online store. Click here and then click on the preference and scroll down. Restrict access visitor with a password and put any password and then save it. So you have successfully saved a password. So now your website is only accessible with this password. Now go to themes. You can design the coming soon landing page using the theme customize option, or you can just install the apps. Let's do it using customize option. Click on the customize. On the top you can see there are some pages, and click on the password page. You can just customize this password page. This whenever any visitor come to your website, it will show this page. So it will be look like this. Anyone come to your website, it will just show this page. You can also use apps to create more modern design. Just search for the password page on Google App Store, and you will see there are lots of plugins. Just install any of the plugin and build the password page with their modern design. You can see they have some pre-made designs, so choose any of the password page from the App Store and activate any of the pages to customize your password page. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe our channel to get more videos on Shopify for free.